Nowadays the trend of earning money by playing game is running loudly. One of this is the Spark Master 2021 app which claim to earn money by playing game. So friend, let's know that what is Spark Master 2021 app, how to use this app, how can you make money with Spark Master 2021 app, and how to withdraw. And our most important and final question is whether the friend Spark Master 2021 app real or fake and safe. Spark Master 2021 app which claimed that you can earn money just by playing the game. It is an Android game where you will earn money from playing the game. There is no fee from the people of for playing the game. So let's be friends, let's see how to game work by playing the game itself. Here I have already downloaded this app from the Play Store. I open this app from here. After opening, the graphic design interface of this app will look something like this. There is no option to registration in this app. Here is the option of wallet which money will be showing earning. So friend, let's try this game by playing the game app. Now let's talk friends, so this app real or fake. Spark Master 2021 app which say that you can earn money just by playing game, but in reality there is nothing like this. It is kind of cheat. The Spark Master 2021 app is very suspicious. Maybe this app pays some lucky user money to show themselves real. My opinion is that you should not expected earn money from the Spark Master 2021 app. If you look at the review of this app, then a lots user have given negative reviews. Spark Master 2021 app is real or fake. I cannot claim this app to be fake, but according to me this app can be fake because many people are claiming to be fake. This app is not safe to use. You can use this app for entertainment just like other games.